So here we are ready for the final countdown. Just to say again, make sure you take out the basic validation that you had near the end. That line towards the end to check everything was okay. So let's go. Let's start testing it here. So let's refresh our page. And let's go submit. And first name must be entered. Okay, so let's click on it again. First name must be entered, and this is the whole testing. This is a system check of this web page, I suppose, or is it individual unit checks, or maybe functional check on this page. So it's not. It doesn't seem to be letting me pass that first one there, first name. Even if, let's say, if I filled in something else here, just let's put in something else random here, and it still won't let me pass first name, and that's fine. I went from the top down. I'm checking the first name first. So, and tell me, please fill in this field with the HTML validation. So that appears to be working all right. So let's put in Banksy here, one of the famous artists. Right, so let's go for submit Banksy here. So last name must be entered. Banksy Jones. Right, so submit there. Email must be entered. Banksy J Owens, and again, please look at all that. Invalid email, correct format, testexample.com. That's all good. So, and we'll put it in right. I don't have time to be messing here, but please match the format requested. So we may have to do some way or go back and change it to the old way. It's your choice. Let's click submit again. Please select a country. So again, it brings up this, which I'm not happy about, but maybe you're happy with, rather not say there for your gender. Select country is, again, leave that out and just see what happens. So please select a country, again, comes up, you know, and I wonder, will it let you go on? Just let's say hello here. Will it let me submit? Please select a country. No, it will not let me select a country here until I get on USA. Leave out the text box here now, and again check Firebase just to show you that there's nothing there at the moment. So submit here now. Please enter your query, and again it goes back to that thing there, but look, I mean, it's not the worst. You couldn't mention any limitations. Please enter your query. Lights not working, and I'm sure now that this won't get sent to Firebase. It can't. I had to have made a mistake somewhere. Submit clicked, and it clears the form. I'm going to show you in another video. Well, let's just check that we got some stuff. Yay! Wow, brilliant. USA, Banksy, lights not working, Banksy, mail, Jones. That's class, right? That worked. I'm very happy with that, because I just thought there'd be definitely loads of mistakes there. And I mean, when your data does get submitted, wouldn't it be nice to go to another page, another feedback page that just says, oh, your data has been submitted, and then giving you the option to do whatever you want. I'm going to do that in the next video.